Today, though, we're here on the third course that the Menendez brothers pursued, and that was a habeas corpus petition that they filed in May of 2023. What a habeas basically says is it's asking for a new trial. It says that if new evidence has come forward, new, timely, credible, admissible, compelling evidence has come forward, such that even one juror may be convinced that not beyond a reasonable doubt that you did the crime, that you can be entitled under these very limited circumstances to a new trial. They practiced with the shotguns the day before, and when they killed their parents, they did it methodically to look like a mafia style. So the Menendez brothers went ahead back in May of 2023, and they isolated two additional pieces of evidence that they said had never been previously presented at trial and met the rigorous standard of habeas review in order to get this new trial. One piece of evidence was a letter supposedly written by Erik Menendez to his cousin Andy Kano, supposedly around December 1988, about 9 months before the August 1989 murders. And the second was a declaration by Roy Rossello. It said he had been sexually abused by Jose Menendez back in 1983 or 1984. What they said is, in essence, that the reason they killed their parents is they believed their... So what Judge Ryan did yesterday, in agreeing with our position, our ultimate position, and ending, for now, unless they keep appealing this, the meritless motion that the Menendez brothers filed, he basically said that the evidence alleged here is not so compelling that it would have produced a reasonable doubt in the mind of at least one juror. That is how deficient, how meritless, how baseless the evidence that has been presented by the Menendez brothers has been in this habeas motion. So Judge Ryan has put a full kibosh on the habeas motion here. And then they ultimately came back to their house, called 911, and screamed. All right, well, thank you all very much. Appreciate it.